9 national forests up and down the state are shut down as nearly a dozen wildfires continue to burn out of control tonight. Gabe Salazar joining us live from the Fresno Fire Department. Gabe, the state now calling on some of our local firefighters to help join the fight.
Yeah, that's right, Alexander and Stephanie. 14 personnel from the Fresno Fire Department is deployed to 3 of those fires burning up and down the state of California. Now, this is just part of a call to get more resources to provide them, especially as there are a number of growing wildfires, especially in Northern California. This as resources are stretched thin. As wildfires continue to ravage the state of California, a group of Fresno firefighters are answering the call to provide assistance.
Right, during the warm seasons, when we have fires throughout the state of California, we often times are called upon by the Office of Emergency Services, or OES, to provide support to these incidents that are not within our jurisdiction.
14 personnel from the Fresno Fire Department were sent to 3 of the largest fires burning in the state of California, including the Monument Fire burning in Trinity County, the Calder Fire ripping through small towns southwest of Lake Tahoe, and the Dixie Fire, which has grown to the 2nd largest wildfire in California's history.
For instance, a fire in Northern California, you could see fire engines from San Diego. And vice versa. When the Santa Ana winds will blow in Southern California and they have fires down in the southern part of the state, you'll see fire engines from the northern part of the state assisting down there.
The Forest Service announced 9 national forests in California have been closed Monday as fire crews struggle to contain 11 large fires burning in the state. Our local fire crews can spend up to 3 weeks to their assigned incident.
No, I mean, everybody that goes out does a great job. I know it's a lot of hard work. You're away from your family, and it's oftentimes it's not in the nicest conditions to be in. You're on the fire line, you're in the dirt, it's obviously hot and dry and taxing work. They work 24-hour shifts just like they do here, and there's not a lot of time for sleep when you're on the fire line.
And the Forest Service says anyone who violates the order faces a fine up to $5,000 or up to 6 months in jail. Now, to find out which forests are affected in this closure, you can go to our website, yourcentralvalley.com. For now, reporting live in downtown Fresno, Gabe Salazar, KC24, local news that matters.